October bosom minimoneda etoso aduenu miensa o my Ghana ante asem de yeda sore ya ensem na enenam abefontinta fidie no so na edabimu ano ekrese kane Ghana ba pani nana Konadu Agyemang Rawlings watona nanom ewo ensiedo eba sa no na nipa dodo no na kase frese maame no yobi a wo ye kokodrufo pa ena empelifo ya mamre ene amane na woji ye maame na enne wakata na chikura ye hwese de dwumade no ekoye ewo Accra Independent Square.
If you are not with accreditation, move out. If you are not with accreditation, move out.
Please, all of us here, let's leave here. Let's leave here. The church must have.
Anadia fidia you know. Abaya santo asinemo. Nana Konadu kontie. Odi agromo. Ona nana ojina yama ema. Ejina ya nanswa. Eno wano nkwa nwe wano nkwa yedie. Ayaya mebi so nkrofo amaso.
In your short is a rich display of Asante culture and heritage. The King, His Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II, sends a delegation headed by the Asante Achem Domia Bramahine to pay their respects and esteem to his daughter, a beloved daughter of Asanteman and Ghanaman, the late Her Excellency Nana Konadu Agyemang Rawlings.
On behalf of the sisters of Konadu Agyemang Rawlings, where do I begin to tell the story of how great love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth of the love she brings to me. Where do I start? How and when did we begin to tell the story of our great and dear sister Nana? She was our trailblazer from the time we met her in our lives. She was not the oldest sister, but by divine arrangement, while our oldest sister was at the time in boarding school, Nana Konadu stepped into that role and wore the mantle of a leader.